In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing Valentine's Day design in just 5 minutes by using Creative Fabrica's Shapecloud. So I will have a link to this tool down below in the description. It is on Creative Fabrica, and if you already have a subscription, you can find it up here in the menu if you hover over Tools and click on Shapecloud. Now, I'm pretty sure even if you're not signed up to them, you can try this tool and download 5 designs for free, and that's how it used to be at least. So you can still follow along with this tutorial and test this Shapecloud tool out for yourself. And essentially what this tool does is it sort of has a silhouette. You can choose different silhouettes here from the presets, or you can upload your own, and then it places different words into this silhouette at sort of a random layout, and it looks really cool on t-shirts. Now, I did look through these presets. You've got a few different topics here like basic shapes, you've got nature, but they didn't have a heart as a preset. So I went out and I found a heart silhouette for you that you can also download via the link at the top of the description. And once you've downloaded that, just click upload shape right here, then select a file. And once you've found it, it will quickly load into here and change the shape. So once that's done, we can now select which keywords we want to be inside of this shape. And the default ones, we just have to delete right here by clicking the X. And in this case, I want to give you an example with the hunting niche. So how might you find some keywords that people who are into hunting are interested in that we can place into this heart? And for that, we're going to use another free website or a free tool, which is called the Redbubble Tags Generator by Merch Informer. So once again, I will have this linked in the description so you can quickly get to it, and essentially just want to type into the search bar hunting or whichever niche you want to enter, whichever sort of main keyword you've got, and it's going to load for a little while and look for related keywords on Redbubble to your main one. And just go through this list and pick out a few ones that you think might be suitable. So hunter, fishing, deer, definitely useful, nature, outdoors, that's what hunters are mainly interested in. We've got forest, fish, animals, so definitely some good suggestions here. Wildlife, that's another good one, which I'm now going to type into our Shapecloud tool. Now, ideally, you want to start out right here with the main keyword, which is hunting, because that's going to be presented in the middle in very big letters. And then I'll put outdoors next, maybe wildlife, nature, hunter, fishing. What else could we have? Animals, deer. And that gives it a good list of words to work with. If we scroll down a little bit further, you can select a different font right here. I quite like Pacifico for the sort of Valentine's Day feel, but you have different options as well. You don't have to use the preset ones even. You can upload your own font right here if you wanted to, and you can change the color scheme. So we'll change it from blue to red, which makes a lot of sense for Valentine's Day again. You could also use a preset color scheme right here where the words would have varying colors, which is also quite neat. But in this example, we'll stick with single and red. And then if you finished with these settings and you hit update designs up here, it will just take a few seconds and it will swap out the words in your design. Right here, we've got hunting, really big, outdoors, wildlife, animals, and it forms a heart shape. And once you're happy with the design, you can still make changes to it, delete some words, add some new ones, or change the color scheme around, try out different colors. And once you're happy with it, just hit download design in the top right corner. You can save it in different formats. In this case, for t-shirt design, obviously PNG is best, or you can download them all at once. I'm just going to use PNG, and there we go. You're set and ready to go to upload this design to any of your print-on-demand platforms and start getting sales. If you want to get more sales during Valentine's Day, then make sure to check out this video next, where I share 6 different t-shirt design ideas with you to help you increase your sales.